Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn another simple topic on fractions. This is a special video for the Key Stage 2s and the Key Stage 3s. This video is hosted by Jenna and Jinan. So let's begin. Let's start off by knowing what are fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole, or more generally any number of equal parts. When spoken in everyday English, a fraction describes how many parts of a certain size there are. For example, 2, 8 by 5 and 3 by 4. Now, let's see a question on fractions. We have a yummy pizza with 4 equal pieces, out of which I ate 1 piece. How much portion of the pizza have I eaten? So, the total number of pieces is the denominator, which is 4. And 1, which I ate, is the numerator. So, I ate 1 by 4 of the pizza. Now, let's see some operations on fractions. The first one is addition of fractions with the same denominators. So, the example is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. As the denominators are the same, we write it as it is. Now, we simply add the numerators together. 2 plus 1, 3. The answer is 3 by 4. Another example. The question is 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6. Pause the video and have a go. The solution for this one is, as there is the same denominators, we write it as it is. And then we simply add the numerators. 4 plus 1, 5. Our answer is 5 by 6. Now, let's see another example on addition of fractions, but this time with different denominators. The example is 2 by 9 plus 2 by 3 equals. So, we do cross multiplication. So 3 times 2, 6. And 9 times 2 is 18. So, now we will do the denominators multiplication. So, 9 times 3 is 27. So, 6 plus 18 is 24. And we write 27 as it is. So, now we can simplify this number by 3. So, 3 times 8 equals 24. And 3 times 9 equals 27. So our answer is 8 by 9. We will see the same example, but in a different method. This method is called LCM. So the first step is to find the lowest common multiples of both the denominators. It is the smallest positive integer that is evenly divisible by 9 and 3, which in this case is 9. So 3 times what equals 9? 3 times 3 equals 9. So 9 times what equals 9? 9 times 1 equals 9. So we will multiply these two. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 equals 6 plus 2, 8 by 9.
Now, let's talk about subtraction of fractions with the same denominator. We've got a question, 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. In this case, we keep the denominator same, which is 5, and subtract the numerator, which is 2 minus 1, which is 1. It is quite similar to addition, and the answer is 1 by 5. Now, let's see subtraction of fractions with different denominator. This is by the LCM method. In this case, we've got the question 9 by 20 minus 4 by 10. So, we have to find that number which is lowest common multiple of these two numbers. So, which is equal to 20. So, we multiply this by 1 and this by 2. So, just to get the denominators equal. When we do this, we get 9 by 20 minus 8 by 20. Now, as the denominators are same, we can do simple subtraction. 9 minus 8 equals 1. And the denominators are same, so 20. And that's our answer. Now let's see the same question with a different method called cross multiplication as seen in addition. So we'll multiply 9 times 10, which will get us 90, and 20 by 4 will get us 80. And then we multiply 20 by 10 to get the answer 200 as the denominator. When we subtract 90 by 80, we get the answer 10 and the denominator is 200. Don't forget to simplify, so 0 and 0 get cancelled and our answer is 1 by 20.
We will see another operation on fractions, which is multiplication. The question is 3 by 4 times 5 by 7. In multiplication, we times the numerators and times the denominators. So 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 7 is 28. As 15 and 28 do not come in the same times tables, we can not simplify this answer. So the answer is 15 by 28. Let's see another example. The question is 5 by 8 times 2 by 5. Pause your video and have a go. So remember, in multiplication we times the numerators and times the denominators. So 5 times 2 is and 8 times 5 is 40. So 10 times 1 equals 10. So 1 by 10 times what equals 40? 4. So our answer is.
Move on to another operation of fractions, which is division. So in this case, we've got two fractions. 4 by 6 divided by 5 is 7. This is the major rule of division to reciprocal, which is to swap the numerator with the denominator, which changes it into 4 by 6, and division becomes multiplication times 7 by 5. And now we do the same steps as multiplication. So when we multiply 4 times 7, we get 28, and 6 times 5, 30. We can simplify it further as it goes in 2 times table. 14, as 2 times 14 is 28, and 15, as 2 times 15 is 30. So now let's see another example on division. In exam, you may be asked in this format as well. 3 by 4 divided by 6 by 5. Pause the video and have a go. So basically, we again have to reciprocal 6 by 5, which is 5 by 6. And don't forget, division changes into multiplication. As we do this, 3 times 5 equals 15 and 4 times 6 equals 24. Can they be simplified? Yes. Which times do they both come into? 3 times. So 3 times what equals 15? 5. And 3 times what equals 24? 8. So that's our final answer.
We hope you loved this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Comment down what we should do next. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.